about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Hakka Training on ICRT, and this whole month we're taking you to Wanran Township, where we take the train to Pingdong, and today after we get off, we're going to take on a road trip on Highway 185, and Leo's going to bring us to agricultural farms, to Hakka tribes, and also to visit an old Spanish cathedral. How special is that? 今天呢，我们要带大家到万峦乡呢，坐着火车到屏东，下车之后呢，要这个开车沿着185县道呢，来造访一些休闲园区啦，还有客家的聚落，而且听说呢，还有一个这个西班牙式的建筑，到底是什么呢？待会儿 Leo 就要带我们去喽。嘿 ，Leo 啊，我们今天要走的这个 road trip 啊的这个路线到底是什么？好好奇。
我跟你讲啦，其实这个万峦地区我们只要沿着185县道这个沿山公路就可以看到很多很多景点包括南部的第一高峰大武山，这是所有的年轻人成年礼都是在这边举办的。
可是我成年了。
是，所以你不用啊，没关系。那我们可以去看那个果树园区啊，然后还有我们的热带植物园区也是很值得来去看的哦。
我很喜欢这个 road trip 的行程哦，所以我要好好的享受这个好山好水。你来开车可以吗？
没问题，我开。
好 ，Let's go。嘿 ，Leo 啊，我们刚刚吃了好多水果啊，还去拜访了很有客家风味的这个五沟社区啊，然后前面这一栋就是我们的万金圣母圣殿，对不对？一看就知道它就是一个西班牙式的建筑，天主教的教堂。
对啊，我跟你说，我们现在10月份来其实还好，到了12月份，这边充满了耶诞节的气氛。
Merry Christmas！ 对，你一讲12月份我才想到。
对啊，所以根本不用出国，就来这里就好了啊。
2个月后我们再回来一下。好，那我们赶快进去参观喽。
Pingdong's Wanluan Township may be known for food, but the locals love its natural setting. The 185 County Road borders a mountainous agricultural recreation area that is home to a diverse range of Minnan, Hakka, and Aboriginal peoples all living together. Here you can see forests and mountains, and even the oldest Spanish cathedral in the country. This heritage site has spawned many local traditions, including the Parade of the Virgin Mary every December.
好 ，Leo， 我们来教几个客语单字好了。
好，没问题。
来到这边感觉很休闲的感觉，对不对？所以要休息放松怎么说？休息。
歇困
that means to take a rest, to take a break. 歇困，那要放松 to relax.
不用强松
that's to relax. And that's all for today's Hakka Training on ICRT.
什么太嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.